What do tie rod ends do? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now when you turn your steering wheel, it turns a shaft, and that turns a gear. On this particular car, we have what's called a rack and pinion. And so when you turn that, it starts to move this rack left and right. So if you look right here, this is the shaft that the rack is moving in order to move this tire left and right. And right at the very end of this shaft, we have a joint, because as the tire's moving up and down and back and forth, it has to be a joint, kind of like a shoulder or elbow or something like that. And so this little part here is called the tie rod end. And so when the joint wears out, then we have to replace your tie rod end. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.